guys, welcome back to Nikan's Adventure. Sorry that we have not been posting a lot of videos because we have been busy with school. Today Nikan got his Sonic toys.
Yeah! Sonic! Hi guys, welcome to Nikan's Adventure. Today I got my Sonic toys and a Sonic t-shirt and Nika. Oh yeah! Do the dance.
And we're doing our introduction video. So we're going to be telling you what we're going to be doing with the Sonic toys Nicholas got.
Yeah, let's get started.
So we're going to list all of the videos we're going to be doing with Nicholas' new Sonic toys. So we're going to be doing a lot of videos with this Sonic toy Nicholas got. And name to list some. One is going to be that Sonic edition that Nicholas used the fake ones. Fake Legos. So now we have the real things that we're going to use them to do the Sonic edition. Second thing, we're going to be doing Sonic Movie 3. The whole movie, we're going to be doing it.
We're also going to be doing Sonic Movie 4 once it comes out. We're also going to be doing a Lego toy with it. We're also going to do a lot of adventures with it. And we're also going to go to the park with it and many more. Don't miss out on any of them. Like and subscribe for more videos. Now let's get to it. Let's get started. Let's get into it, guys. Now we're going to get them. But me and Winifred are going to be doing closing your eyes and seeing the character we're going to get. Me first and Winifred second, because obviously.
Close your eyes.
Okay.
What?
Which character did I bring out? Sonic! Let's go! Yoka! Hi guys! Anyway, time for you. Close your
But
eyes.
you're not even told them about.
So this is Sonic the Hedgehog. I don't know why they made the mouth like this. I don't know.
Not painted.
The chest is like, I don't know. It's just neon looking. And yeah, this figure is awesome. Just about the skin color, it's not that great. But everything else about it, if you remove the bad color of it, it's pretty good. And this is Sonic the Hedgehog from Sonic X. He moves as fast with the speed of light. I need a speed of sound, I need a struggle around. I yourself a speed of motion, in a human location without illumination. You literally cannot see him. Anyway, it's time for the next character. Winifred, close your eyes.
Okay. What character did I get?
She got Tails!
Yay, Tails! How are we getting the same thing that's supposed to come?
I don't know.
Because
Tails is a fox, and he's colored almost like the best colored person here. He can stand. They can also kind of sit.
Sonic can
Yeah.
sit,
Sonic can sit too,
and Sonic is a hedgehog for sure.
obviously. So Tails has his twin tails. Obviously, that's why it's called Tails.
Because his name was before Miles.
But now it's Tails because
Sonic changed it because he has two tails. That's how he got to Tails.
So Tails is an orange fox in Sonic X. He loves traveling with Sonic and Sonic is his best friend. Anyway, now time for the next character. It's time for me.
Close your eyes.
Alright, I'm closing
I
it.
want to close it for you.
Bruh.
Amy!
What? Amy is a pink hedgehog. She loves going with Sonic and she loves Sonic so much. Also, Amy is in Sonic X, helping Sonic and everybody else defeat Dr. Eggman and go into and win the battle. So Amy can stand, she can sit, and she can kind of. Winifred is picking next. What would she get? Bruh. Winifred, do it quick. You got Shadow. Shadow is a black hedgehog and he's one of the enemies of Sonic sometimes. They have to be rivals, enemies, or foes.
Sometimes in the Sonic movie 3, Sonic teams up
With Shadow to save the world. And Shadow is also in Sonic X trying to defeat Sonic 2. And his skin color over here is not black. It's peach.
Also this one.
And he has similar abilities to Sonic. Also, he can do Chaos Fear and Chaos Control, which are also Chaos energies. Anyway, now it's time to go up to the next character.
Now I'm gonna close your eyes and you pick.
I forgot about that part. I think I'm getting Knuckles.
Yes, you are.
Knuckles! So Knuckles is a red echidna which came from the Knuckles civilization, and then they were wiped out of existence. And he was Sonic's enemy, but then became his friend and became his friend. Also, he had Knuckles' super strong punch. Hi-ya!
No. Sandwich punch.
And Knuckles sandwich. And he's a formidable foe. Next one, 12-0.
I forgot about it.
She got Cream.
Yeah, I knew it.
She got Cream the rabbit. Cream is a rabbit from Sonic X, and she's so pretty. Also, she had no abilities, but in her own way, she's fierce and she can fly with her two bunny ears. So that's all for Cream. She's not that much of a biggie.
Your turn. Oh. Yes. Silver.
I got Silver. Silver the Hedgehog is a futuristic character who comes from the future and wants to defeat Sonic because he thinks that Sonic destroyed his future. But then, in the end, Silver noticed that Sonic is a great character and joined the team to defeat Eggman. He's also a formidable foe. Next is Winifred. Winifred calls him.
I wish I get the chill. What do we have?
Just bring it out. She got Supersonic. Supersonic is Sonic, but it is super form. He can fly. He can sit. He destroyed the Egg Force many times. And in Sonic Frontiers, he used Supersonic so much that Sonic even got blasts of his own, which just like Shadow. And Supersonic had defeated almost all of his formidable enemies. Anyway,
One. Purely.
I got Metal Sonic. Metal Sonic is a copy of Sonic that has many robot abilities. And in some parts, he's so fast that nobody can even see him. But Sonic still defeats him. He's a formidable enemy, but Sonic still defeats him easily, though he tried his best. So, time for you.
I want toy. Charmy.
It's not Charmy, it's a child.
Ring.
Wait. We need to correct.
Ring.
Yeah, we need to collect the ring. Yeah, so this is Chow. Chow is a pet for Sonic to take care of. In fact, no. Charmy is kind of like an upgrade in some games, but she's just a formidable. She's just a formidable foe who follows Sonic and his Sonic friends. So she's holding the ring in this one. I do not know why. The ring is detachable and you can squish her a little bit.
And can she sit? No.
No, she can definitely not sit.
Hey, my turn.
Wait.
Oh
Did
no,
I-
it's your turn. What are you gonna?
I got Eggman's robot.
So the last one is
This is from
Eggman.
Sonic the Hedgehog. Not real Sonic the Hedgehog. Small Sonic the Hedgehog. This is one of Dr. Eggman's robots that is trying to defeat Sonic 2. Now
It's my
oh,
turn.
yeah.
You pull one. I know the last one is Dr. Eggman. So look for it.
But my Eggman is so fat that he almost couldn't get there. So this is Dr. Eggman. He's an enemy to Sonic and he wants to defeat Sonic for good. Though he had failed all of the time, but though he's still a formidable opponent. So that's all for today. Bye guys!
In the next video, we're going to be doing
Sonic 3 the movie with these toys. So
And
stay
there are
tuned to
more
watch
toys.
that. It's an amazing one. I hope you enjoyed this video.
video.
Stay tuned to see the next video. Bye guys.
like and subscribe. Bye.
Bye. So let's just do one. Yeah. Bye guys.
Bye. What?
Sonic's number one. Sonic's number one. And then Sonic can go fast. Can go fast and faster than Sonic X. Boom, 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 boom. This is Sonic. This is Tails. This is Knuckles. This is Shadow. This is Cream. This is Amy. This is Metal Sonic. This is Eggman. This is Chow. This is Super Sonic. This is Eggman's robot. And this is Silver. Bye, guys.